Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy conditions out there this morning that just built in the last half an hour or so. Going to see in general partly cloudy conditions for today, as we'll have this cloud cover around 6,500 feet move out of the region and move past the around 10 o'clock this morning. Overall, though, we'll see mild temperatures in the 50s today with slightly breezy west-northwesterly winds. So a fairly good day overall across the Delmarva Peninsula. Looking at our current surface analysis, we had a clipper system that moved north of our region this morning. It's going to drag a weak cold front through the region for the afternoon and evening hours. And we'll have an additional area low pressure that's going to build along that cold front as it stalls off our coast and provide us with a chance of some rain showers tomorrow. Looking at our current conditions as of 8 o'clock this morning, we had a broken deck at 6,500 feet, winds out of the northwest at 290 degrees at 6 knots, temperatures 37 degrees, and our relative humidity was at 70% this morning. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we had this cloud cover that's currently across the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, including the northeastern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. That's going to be moving through our region this morning. Should see that scatter deck around 6,500 feet prevail once we move into the morning hours, I should say, today. And we'll just see most likely anywhere from partly cloudy to mostly sunny conditions as this cloud cover moves east of our area for the afternoon hours. Looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model on derived reflectivity, there's a little bit of snow shower and rain shower activity north of our region this morning. That's going to remain well north of our region today. So moving in the afternoon hours, here's 2 o'clock this afternoon. Just any precipitation will be well north of the region, continuing to move away from the Wallops region. And then we'll see this area low pressure develop across the Tennessee Valley tonight and then move towards our region for tomorrow afternoon. Here's 1 o'clock or 1300 local tomorrow afternoon. You can see that area low pressure tracking towards our region and giving us those rain showers for tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. Even a possibility of seeing some snowfall across the western and central portions of Virginia, as well as the northwestern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Looks like it should stay north of a Cambridge to Easton line, up to Dover possibly. So any locations that you're traveling well north and west of Salisbury and farther north and west of Wallops tomorrow could see a little bit of snowfall. Shouldn't see anything sticking on the roads, those areas seeing the snowfall tomorrow, as temperatures will be just above freezing. That system will move out of the Wallops region for Wednesday evening and just giving us some breezy conditions as the system moves well north and east, I should say, of our region. We'll have additional Arctic air mass moving in the region with a cold front for Wednesday afternoon evening, and that'll give us some windy conditions for Wednesday. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high around 55 degrees. West-northwesterly winds 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 20 knots, and then we'll see those temperatures bottom out into the upper 20s tonight with the winds becoming light and variable, less than 5 knots. That should allow us to see those upper 20s tonight. Models are indicating that we will stay in the mid-30s, but with those light winds, we should see the temperatures below freezing tonight. A green chart across the board for today. Our next 24 hours, we should see 24 hours of VFR conditions across the region. Just an increase of upper level cirrus cloudiness tonight ahead of that approaching area low pressure. And our tides are slightly above normal. Looking at Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday mostly cloud overcast. Rain showers likely during the afternoon and evening, a high of 48 degrees, red for precipitation, so looks like those conditions will deteriorate after noon tomorrow, and we'll see those winds possibly gusting near 25 knots near the 7 o'clock evening time frame when this forecast transitions from Tuesday to Tuesday night, as well as our ceilings with seeing those ceilings around 500 feet with any of the moderate rainfall we could see for Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday night will be cloudy and breezy with a slight chance of rain shower early, then mostly clear overnight and slightly breezy. Have a low of 34 degrees, a yellow for precipitation, winds, and for our ceilings early in the overnight hours. And for Wednesday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy conditions, windy and seasonable temperatures. We'll have a high of 46 degrees. Red for our winds. Looks like Wednesday we'll see winds gusting about 35 knots. So seeing that windy condition out there, as well as the temperatures in the mid-40s, so it will feel like it's in the lower 40s to the upper 30s on Wednesday. So a cooler day and more seasonable for January. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.